So a question that gets commonly asked is, I can do inside edges, but how do I get over the outside edge? And the main reason I normally see is it is a confidence issue. Now the inside edge is more comfortable to try because your leg is here. If something goes wrong, you can put your foot down and then it's safe. Now with the outside edge, if I'm holding an outside edge and something goes wrong, it's much harder to save. And because of this, what you tend to see is people, they start the edges and they don't want to fully commit to it. So they leave the weight here and they try and get over on that outside edge, but they can't do it. And where they need to be to do an outside edge is completely over it like this. You see, you have the ankle, knee, hip, shoulder in one line. If you break it, you're pulling your weight out of the circle, and this is harder to do. So what is a good exercise to help overcome this problem? Simple. You take some pumps, forward pumps like this, and you go into your 2-foot glide on a curve, and you practice getting this position where you're leaning over like that, nice and balanced. And now once you get comfortable in that position, I'm here, I can pick up 1 foot and I can hold the position like this. If I'm trying the pumps and I'm here and I pick the foot, I can't do it. But if I'm there with my weight over my feet, I can lift. So it's like with most things in skating, you need to have your weight over your feet in order to be able to do what you're trying to do. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a like and a subscribe, that'd be great. And if you want to see more content, get some feedback on your skating and some exclusive videos, check out our Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below.